Ladies and gentlemen, the Ninja Slushie.
Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by Rachel Terrell, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living one step at a time.
Okay, cozy friends, so the Ninja Slushie, it comes with this quick start guide, which I will be reading out of when I talk about it here in a minute. It comes with this Ninja Slushie 10 plus delicious recipes, inspiration guide, tells you what's in the box, how to use it, the assembly, which is super easy, how to use it, tips and tricks, no prep slushies, mix and match frozen cocktail hour. And then back here are your inspirations for different drinks that you can make. Chocolate milkshake and others. Coconut lime daiquiri, pink lemonade slush. So you have your pickings of what kind of recipes you want, or you can create your own slush. It even shows you how to do that. Create your own spiked slushie. And then back here for you to write your own recipes. It also comes with frozen drink tips and tricks. And then ready to host the perfect frozen cocktail hour. Gives you the guidelines, the alcohol percentages. Slushy is too frozen, tells you what to do. And then it gives you this Ninja important safety instructions. Okay, at the top, right here, you have your on and off switch. Right here are your no prep slushes. So it's your preset. So the top one here, where it says slush, the total time for 2 to 3 servings is 15 minutes. 4 to 6 servings is 30 minutes. 6 to 8 servings is 45 minutes. So the drink to prepare on that one is your sports drinks, your energy drinks, your sweetened iced tea, kombucha, lemonade, limeade, soda, fruit punch. Okay, what you would do is cut it on, then you'll hit slush, and then the preset will start at that default level. Okay, same thing with the soda and the fruit punch. The next one is your spike slush. That's for your hard seltzers, your sour beers, your hard tea, your hard cider, hard kombucha, hard lemonade, Moscow Mule, rum and coke, wine, pre-mixed margaritas. Okay, same thing with that. You'll hit the start. You'll select spike slushy or spike slush, and then the preset will automatically do what it needs to do for you. The next one is your frappe, and then the next one is your milkshake and your frozen juice. So your frozen juice, same thing, cranberry juice, orange juice, mango juice, watermelon juice, apple cider, all that good stuff. Okay, you'll hit on, you'll select frozen juice, and it'll already preset. Okay. Next over here, this up and down where you see temperature is low, temperature is high. That is your low sugar alert. So its temperature control LEDs will flash one at a time in descending order. with the top LED, preset LEDs will flash and the unit will beep every minute for 15 minutes. And then the high alcohol, high sugar alert, the temperature control LEDs will flash one at a time in ascending order, starting at the bottom LED. Presets LED will flash and the unit will beep again every 15 minutes. So if a drink exceeds the max alcohol or the max sugar amount, you have to add a 4th cup water per serving to dilute the input, okay? So this is your comfort handle, and I bought this from Amazon. It's just a cover for it. That's your comfort handle. This is your vessel, and this comes off. All you do is turn it around. All you do is push this forward and then pull this out to clean. That's what you do to clean it. And I bought some LED lights to put off in there. I haven't put these in there yet, but I bought these off of Amazon to make it light up as it's making the slushy. And then to put this on, because this is detached when you buy it. And then all you do, it's real simple. It looks like it's difficult, but it's really easy. And I'm trying to do this on this side, so let me go over here. Just slips on here until, push it in until you can't anymore, and then take your handle and just pull it back gently, and it locks it in place. 2-part drip tray. So there's supposed to be a tray here. Ask me where mine is at. I have no idea. Okay, I think I might have threw it away. I don't know. So I bought this to go on top of the 2-part tray that came with the Ninja, but I don't know where it's at. So I'll just use this to put down here. It also tells you before plugging this in, this isn't my first time using it, it's probably my 2nd or 3rd, but it says before plugging in, you want to keep this upright for 2 hours, okay, and make sure that it's on something level, and only use it indoors. And this also has a rinse cycle on it. So what you would do is dispense any remaining frozen drink that you have in here. You'll stop the current preset that you have. You'll press the rinse button, just right here. You'll add hot water to the vessel. And then you will, you want to put 64 ounces in there. And then you want to stop the rinse cycle by pressing the rinse button again. And then you want to press the power button, of course, to turn it off. Okay, just to share with you a couple of things I bought off of Amazon. I bought this Ninja Slushi recipe book, cookbook for beginners. It's an all-in-one. And I bought this. I bought these slushy cups. I bought 4 of them in different colors. And this will keep your slushy nice and slushed for a while. So when my girlfriend came to check on her house, I made her a slushy. And literally, I mean, she didn't like drink it fast at all. Like she was kind of laying down. She was watching TV. She was just pretty much chilling. And that slushy looked like I had just taken it out of the Ninja and put it in the cup. That's how long it was nice and slush. So these do work. And they have this top, and they also have measuring inside of here, like measuring lines for 2 ounce, 5 ounce, 16 ounce. I don't know if you can see that. So they are worth it. They are worth it. They are worth it, because if you're sitting outside somewhere hot at the beach or wherever and you have a drink that you're trying to keep cold and not drink it real fast, these are it. These are it. All right. And then I told you about the LED lights. I have not used those yet. So we'll go ahead and install those and then we'll make our drink. Okay, so we're gonna add our LED lights. So all you do, remember, just bring this back. This pulls this out. And then this comes off. I don't think I showed you all that. And then this pulls out, and you always wanna clean this. But this is where the lights go. So we'll go ahead and set the lights off in here. Okay, put that back in. Put this back on. And then put this back on. And then remember, just put it on till it catches, and then let the handle bring it back and lock it in place. All right, so next is the splash guard. I bought this off of Amazon. This one kind of came a little bent up, but it still works. So all you do is just lift up a little door, set this off in here, kind of just make sure if it's in there and it fits good. And that's your splash guard. Okay, so remember, this unit holds between 2 and 8 cups, which is 16 to 64 ounces. And then you want to select your preset. So I'm going to use 28 ounces in this one. And if you notice here, there is a minimum of 16 ounces, the minimum fill line, and the maximum fill line, which is 64 ounces. And this is what it looks like with the liquid in there. And I also bought a slider, kind of like the one I bought for my KitchenAid mixer, but I bought a slider because this is hard to maneuver without the slider. Bought that on Amazon. Now we want to plug it up. Got the lights on inside. We want to hit the power button. And then we want to hit slush. And now we wait. All right, now we are ready to pour our slushy. So you want to keep this running while you're dispensing it. And there you have it. Enjoy.